Hey guys, this is Marian with the Children's Resource Center, and I'm coming to you today with a virtual craft program. You can find all of our virtual programs online at the New Orleans Public Library website. Alright guys, so the craft for today is going to be Noisemakers. What you guys will need to make your Noisemakers is going to be a toilet paper roll, 2 rubber bands. You can also use glue if you don't have any rubber bands, some markers or color pencils or crayons, whatever you'd like to color with, a pencil, some beans or beads, and I'm using tissue paper today, but if you don't have tissue paper, you can also use newspaper, construction paper, toilet paper, any kind of paper. You also need scissors. Alright guys, so to start, we're going to start with our toilet paper roll. We're going to decorate it using our markers or crayons, color pencils, whatever we've chosen. So I'm going to start by drawing a squiggly line at the top of my toilet paper roll. Just like that. And next, what I'll do is I'll put another squiggly line along the bottom. And you can decorate your toilet paper roll however you want. After squiggly lines, why don't I go and put some circles on my toilet paper roll, like so. And I can fill in my circles with this pretty purple. Then I'll use the green and I'll put some lines above and below the circles, like little bursts. And then I'm going to use the pink and put little dots in between the circles. Pink kind of looks more like orange on the toilet paper roll, but it's okay. It still looks cool. Ta-da! Alright, so we're done decorating our toilet paper roll. We can set that to the side. So we don't need it right now. The next thing we're going to do is cut circles out of our tissue paper. You can use whatever color tissue papers you want. I'm going to use 2 different colors today, green and blue. So I'm going to start by drawing a circle on the green tissue paper. If you are using something thin like tissue paper, you're going to want to double up so that when you put the beans in the toilet paper roll, they don't fall through. So there's my green circle, and here's my blue circle. Okay, you probably can't see it very well on the blue, but you can see the circle on the green. So after we've drawn out our circles, we're going to take the scissors with the permission of an adult, and we're going to cut out our circles. Alright, so there's green, and that is done. We can set that to the side for a second and cut out our blue circle. Okay, and that is done. So we have 2 circles, blue and green, like so. Okay. So next, we are going to grab our toilet paper roll, and we're going to put the tissue paper, whichever color we decide, on the top and smush it down. Make sure it's on there. And we're going to take one of our rubber bands and wrap it around the top so that the tissue paper doesn't come off. after it's on there good, we can fluff up the the tissue paper if you want. That's up to you. It'll look like that. So once we have tissue paper on one side, it's time to put the beans in our Noisemaker. So we're going to take our beans, or beads, whatever we're using, and we're going to grab a small handful, like so. It doesn't take a lot. And put it in the toilet paper roll. Like that. And we're going to take our last tissue paper and put it on the other side of the toilet paper roll, just like we did the blue tissue paper. Just like that. And fluff it up if you want. And it's done. You have a Noisemaker. Ta-da! Yay! And that's our craft for the day, guys. Thanks for joining me. Hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day and enjoy your Noisemakers.